Please do not take my food away. I need this so badly for my family. Hey, what is happening over there? Why are you taking her food away right now?
She walked straight past the checkout counters without paying a single penny for this food.
I was not trying to steal anything. I only wanted something to feed my brother. Mom! Dad! Please come over here right now. We really have to help this girl.
Mike, calm down for a second and tell us exactly what is going on over there.
The store employee took her grocery bag, but she is crying and looks completely terrified.
We should not interfere in store business until we truly understand what actually happened first, son.
Please, mister. My little 5-year-old brother Noah has not eaten anything all day today. I cannot just stand here and do nothing while someone is hungry. I am helping her.
Mike, wait for us. Do not run off alone into the store like that, sweetheart.
Sir, please stop. How much does this food cost? I can pay for it with my money.
Young man, store policy is very strict about unpaid items leaving the front doors.
Why are you doing this for me? You do not even know who I am at all. Nobody should ever go hungry, especially your little brother. Everything is going to be all right now.
Excuse me, sir. We are his parents. Can we please step inside and talk this through calmly?
All right, let us move over to the customer service counter so we can resolve this matter properly.
Sweetheart, what is your name? Where are your parents right now? Are you all alone here?
My name is Lily. My mom is working a double shift at the hospital until late tonight.
She had 2 loaves of sliced bread, milk, and a jar of peanut butter in here.
See? She only picked basic food to eat, not toys, candy, or anything silly like that.
Lily, can you explain to us why you tried to walk out without paying the cashier?
Oh no. My mom gave me $20 before work, but my pocket has a big hole.
The money must have fallen out when I was running to the store from our apartment.
So you did not intend to steal at all, but you honestly thought you still had your money.
I walked straight through the line thinking the money was right here in my dress pocket. Here is $15. Please ring up the food right now so Lily can take it home.
Hold on, Mike. You cannot just spend every single dollar of your savings in an instant.
But Dad,
If we have plenty of food at home, why cannot we share what we have?
Mike is right, dear. He is not trying to be reckless, and he genuinely wants to help a neighbor.
You have a wonderful heart, Mike. Put your money away. Mom and I will cover this bill.
I am deeply sorry for shouting at you outside earlier, Lily. Let me ring this up properly.
Lily, does your mother have a phone number we can call to let her know you are safe?
Yes, ma'am. Her number is written inside my backpack notebook, and I know it by heart too.
Hello, Mrs. Davis. I am here with your sweet daughter Lily at the grocery store on Main Street. Do not worry at all. She is completely safe with us. We are helping her get groceries home. Her mother was so relieved. She works very hard and thanked us with all her heart.
A couple loaves of bread is not enough for 2 growing kids. Let us do some real shopping.
Come on, Lily. Let us pick out Noah's absolute favorite things to eat for breakfast and dinner. Noah loves crispy red apples so much, but we have not been able to buy them lately. Then we are definitely getting a whole big bag of red apples for him today.
We will make sure you both have plenty of healthy vegetables and delicious greens for the entire week.
That roasted chicken smells so incredible. It smells just like holiday dinners used to smell at home.
Then this delicious chicken is going straight into our cart for tonight's big dinner with your brother.
Look over here, Lily. Which box of cereal do you think little Noah would like the best? He loves the bear cereal. He always watches the funny cartoon commercials on our old television set. 2 boxes it is. 1 for Noah and 1 for you, so you never have to fight.
Pasta with warm marinara sauce is quick, filling, and delicious. You two will love cooking this together.
I cannot believe how kind you all are. My mother is going to cry happy tears tonight.
Welcome back. It looks like you found everything you need to make some wonderful family meals.
We sure did. Thank you so much for your patience and understanding earlier today, young man. I learned a valuable lesson today about listening first before jumping to harsh conclusions about people.
When we look out for each other in our community, everybody wins, and nobody gets left behind.
These bags are heavy with good stuff. Lead the way to your house, Captain Lily.
Our apartment building is just around the corner on Oak Street, right next to the city park.
My little cousin is 5 years old too. He loves building huge block towers and racing toy cars. Noah loves toy cars too. He makes zooming sounds all day long while playing on the rug.
Here we are. We live right up on the 2nd floor in apartment number 24.
Let us give you a hand with those bags so you do not trip on the stairs.
Noah, I am home, and I brought some wonderful new friends with lots of yummy food. Lily, you were gone for so long. My tummy has been making loud rumbling sounds all afternoon. Who are these nice people with you, Lily? Did they bring us some yummy snacks to eat?
Hi, Noah. I am Mike. We brought lots of delicious food, including your favorite Honey Bear cereal.
The Honey Bear cereal! Wow, thank you so much! You are like a real superhero from television.
Look at all these fresh groceries. How would you kids like to come over to our house tonight?
To your house? Are you sure we would not be too much trouble for your family?
Not at all. We have a big kitchen, a backyard, and plenty of space for everyone to celebrate.
I will let your mom know we are bringing you both over for a home-cooked dinner tonight.
Look, Mike. I am bringing my super fast red race car so we can race together at your house.
Awesome! I have a whole box of racetracks in my bedroom we can set up together.
Welcome to our home, kids. Make yourselves comfortable while we get everything ready for cooking dinner.
How would you like to be our head chef tonight, Lily? We need your expert help making salad.
I would love to. I always help my mom chop lettuce and wash vegetables when she cooks. Look at this giant sandwich, Noah. We are putting extra peanut butter right in the very middle. This is the best sandwich in the whole wide world. It tastes super sweet and yummy.
The pasta is almost ready, and the garlic bread in the oven is turning perfectly golden brown. Everything smells so amazing in here. My stomach is rumbling just thinking about eating this feast.
Dinner is officially served, everyone. Come wash your hands and take a seat around the table.
Before we eat, let us all take a moment to be grateful for good food and new friends.
This chicken is so juicy and warm. Thank you so much for making this for us. And then the dog tried to catch the flying frisbee, but he landed straight into the kiddie pool.
Seeing these children so happy and well-fed warms my heart more than words could ever possibly describe.
Here you go, Lily. Eat as much as you like, and there is plenty more in the kitchen pot.
Thank you, mister. We have not had a wonderful sit-down family meal like this in such a long time.
Vroom, vroom! Look at my red car zoom down the big orange ramp, Mike. It is so fast!
Wow, that was incredible. You definitely set a brand new speed record in this living room. Reading is my favorite subject in school. I want to become a teacher when I grow up one day.
You are so smart and caring, Lily. I know you will be an extraordinary and inspiring teacher.
Hello, Mrs. Davis. Please come inside. Your wonderful children have been absolute angels all evening long.
You are here!
Look at all the wonderful new friends we made at the grocery store today.
Mommy, they made us delicious chicken, pasta, and bought us whole bags of yummy food for home.
Here are all the groceries from the store, ma'am. It was an absolute honor spending time with your family.
Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your family showed us such incredible generosity and true kindness. Mike, I want to thank you specially. You did not just give me food when I was crying.
You made me feel like someone truly cared about me when I felt completely alone and scared.
Everyone deserves someone who cares about them, Lily. You will always have a loyal friend in me.
Goodbye, Mike. Thank you for the yummy cereal and for racing toy cars with me all night.
Goodbye, Noah.
Goodbye, Lily.
Come over again this weekend so we can build an even bigger track.
You taught all of us something truly powerful today, son. Kindness is the greatest gift we can share.
Helping others is not just about money. It is about making sure nobody ever feels alone in this world.